In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with OakNorth Online in 2025. Whether you're looking to explore their business banking services or need a demo, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, we're going to start by directing our attention to the OakNorth Bank's website. Launch your preferred web browser and type in their official URL. When you arrive at their homepage, you should see various services OakNorth offers laid out clearly for you. Next, you'll want to navigate to the business banking section of their site. Clicking here will take you to a more focused area tailored to business accounts and services. This is where OakNorth showcases their specialized offerings that might interest you. Once on the business banking page, look for the Book a Demo button and click it. This section is crucial if you want an in-depth understanding of the services OakNorth provides. The demo offers a great way to interact and ask any specific questions you might have about their platform or particular services. Now you'll be prompted to enter some details. Start with your name, simply type it into the designated field and click OK. Remember, using your full legal name might streamline the process, especially if you need to verify any details later. The next step involves providing your company email address. Enter it with precision, ensuring there are no typos or errors, as this will be a primary means of communication with the bank. Once you're sure all is correct, click OK again to proceed. After this, you'll need to select a date and time for your appointment. OakNorth typically offers a range of available slots, so pick the one that best suits your schedule. Be mindful of time zone differences if you are booking from another region. Once you've selected a suitable date and time, click on Next. This will take you to a page where you'll be required to fill in additional details. Scroll down through the form, ensuring all required fields are duly completed. The more information you provide, the better and more personalized your appointment will be. Finally, when you're ready and satisfied with all the details you've entered, click on Schedule Event. Congratulations, you've successfully booked your appointment with OakNorth. If you discover during this process that you're not actually seeking business banking services specifically, head over to the Contact Us section of the website instead. There you can scroll through contact details and reach out to them directly via phone or email for any other appointments or inquiries. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to scheduling an appointment with OakNorth Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.